In this video, you'll learn about the different pricing plans available on Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how to navigate the pricing options and select the plan that best suits your needs. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Mailchimp. This will take you to the Mailchimp homepage where you can explore various features and options. Make sure you have a stable. Once you're on the homepage, look for the pricing link in the top navigation menu. This section provides detailed information about the pricing plans available. Click on Pricing to access the pricing plans overview. This page will load shortly, displaying the different tiers of service offered by Mailchimp. After the pricing plans page loads, you may see a message indicating that you have access to the standard plan for free. This is a great opportunity to explore Mailchimp's features without any immediate cost. Take a moment to review the information presented on the screen as it outlines the benefits of the standard plan. Next, you will notice a message that highlights the potential return on investment for customers using the standard plan. This information is crucial as it emphasizes the value Mailchimp can provide through its services. Pay attention to the details about the risk-free 14-day trial, which does not require a credit card. After reviewing the trial information, you can proceed to customize your plan. Look for the option to select an offer which will allow you to see the pricing based on your specific needs. This customization feature is beneficial for tailoring Mailchimp services to your business requirements. Once you have selected your desired options, locate the button that says Try for Free. Clicking this button will initiate the trial process, giving you access to the features of the chosen plan without immediate payment. Ensure that you confirm this action before proceeding. After clicking Try for Free, a message may appear indicating the cost of the plan after the trial period ends. Make sure to read this information carefully as it outlines the monthly fee you will incur once the trial concludes. This is important for budgeting purposes. You might also see promotional offers such as discounts for having more than 10,000 contacts. Review these messages as they can significantly affect your overall costs. Understanding these offers allows you to make informed decisions regarding your subscription. As you continue to explore the pricing options, look for the button labeled View All Plans. Clicking on this will provide you with a comprehensive list of available plans. Each plan will have its unique features and pricing, so take your time to evaluate them. Next, navigate to the premium plan by clicking on it. This plan is designed for businesses that require advanced features. Look for the details that explain the benefits of choosing this tier, as it may be suitable for larger operations. After reviewing the premium plan, you can return to explore the standard plan by clicking on it. This plan offers a balance of features and pricing, making it a popular choice for many users. Take note of what is included in this plan to see if it meets your needs. Finally, consider the Essentials plan by clicking on it. This plan may cater to users who are just starting or have simpler needs. Understanding the differences among these plans is essential for selecting the right one for your business. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.